Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. In this lecture, we will discuss our next topic, that is excretory system. Dear cadets, excretory system is actually related to the function uh, to release something from our body. To excrete, excrete means to release, to remove, to get out something from our body, to take something out of our body. So as a result of breakdown of various food items and other chemicals components of our body, for example, nitrogenous waste matter is produced. Dear cadets, different chemicals and different components, different compounds in our body are broken down. When they uh, when they are broken down, they are converted into different particles, different material. So the end result is unwanted material which is present in our body, which is created by the which is produced after the breakdown of the chemical components or food items. So these unwanted material is known as a nitrogenous waste matter, which must be immediately removed from the body. Crickets waste products in the body include nitrogenous materials and other salts. Crickets, there are different components which are composed, which are present in the nitrogenous waste material. There may be salts or different other things that need to be removed from our body when they are excess. Accumulation of waste material in the body is dangerous and therefore must be removed from the body. Dear cadets, if due to something, due to some reason, if these waste material are accumulated or stored in our body for long time, then they become dangerous for our health, they become dangerous for our body. So it is very necessary and important to remove and excrete these waste material from our body. Dear cadets, the removal of the removal of nitrogenous waste material from the body is called excretion. Dear cadets, we know what is excretion? The removal of nitrogenous waste material from our body is called excretion. Dear cadets, nitrogenous materials, extra water, and salts are removed by the excretory system. Dear cadets, excretory system can be defined as that a system which is used to excrete nitrogenous waste materials, extra water, and extra salt from our body is known as this system is known as excretory system. Dear cadets, some extra salts are also removed through the skin during perspiration. Dear cadets, uh, by the sweating process, our extra water and extra salts are removed from our body, and our body temperature is also maintained and cooler down by the process of sweating. Dear cadets, human excretory system consists of one pair of kidneys and associated structures. Dear cadets, the main excretory system of our body is composed of the one pair of kidneys and associated structure. What are the associated structures? These are ureters, two ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. In case these three components and associated structures are associated with the kidneys. Dear cadets, next we will discuss the kidneys and associated structures. That what are kidneys, where they are present, and what is their function, and what are the associated structures. Dear cadets, Human body has two dark brown bean-shaped kidneys in the abdominal region. The case in our abdominal region, there are two dark brown bean-shaped kidneys are present. Dear cadets, one kidney is present on one side of our uh, vertebral column, and the other second kidney is present on the second side of our um, vertebral column. It means one kidney is present at the right side of our vertebral column, and the second kidney is present at the left side of our vertebral column. Here we can see in the um, a diagram that two bean-shaped structures are being shown. These two bean-shaped structures are known as kidneys, and they are dark brown in color. Dear kids, here we can see one is labeled as right kidney and the other is labeled as left kidney. Dear kids, the right kidney is a little lower than the left one. Dear cadets, here this is the right kidney and this is the left kidney. Right kidney is a little bit lower. It is a little bit lower than the uh, right uh, uh, kidney. Sorry, left kidney. Dear cadets, left kidney is a little bit higher than the right kidney. The outer surface of the kidney is convex. Dear cadets, we can see in the figure that this is the outer surface, and this surface is convex, protruded. It is curved outside. So this is known as convex surface. While the inner surface is concave. Here we can see that the inner surface is curved inside. It is curved inside. So this is known as concave surface. The following structures are attached with the kidneys. These are the structures which are associated with the kidneys. There creates a tube which arises from each kidney and enters the urinary bladder is known as ureter. Ureter. Here we can see in the dark brown in color two kidneys, and from each kidney a tube, a white color tube is running down. This is a ureter. We can see arrow is pointing the highlighting the ureter. Here we can see it is these tubes are labeled as ureter. So uh, it is a tube which arises from the each kidney and enters the urinary bladder. It is another structure. Decades it transports. What is the function of the ureter? Decades it transports urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Its function is to transport kidney from transport urine from the kidney. Decades next, what is urinary bladder? Decades urinary bladder is a muscular sac. It is made up of muscles. It is a muscular sac which collects urine from both ureter. Decades this structure is a bag-like, sac-like structure, bag-like structure, and it is mm, open. It is hollow in the inside, and it collects. It receives urine from the ureters. Dear cadets, a fine tube through which urine is released from urinary bladder to the outside is called urethra. Dear cadets, here we can see in the figure that this is a urinary bladder which collects and stores urine. Dear cadets, uh, here we can see urethra, which is a tube. It is a small tube which arises from the urinary bladder. Dear cadets, its function is to um, uh, its function is to excrete the urine from our body. This is the part which this is the structure, tubular structure, which excretes our urine from our body to the outside. Circuits, these were some associated structure to the kidneys, and they kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra collectively form a excretory system. Dear cadets, it's enough for today. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.